Smoking is injurious to health, and it might just scorch your wallet too. Yes, apparently a single cigarette can set you back by over 1 crore rupees. And this puff came with identity theft, a car crash, and a financial wipeout for Jacob Irvin Klein. The 30-year-old former software engineer from Oregon was on a layover in London, trying to get back to his hostel after a night out. What followed was a chilling lesson in just how vulnerable your digital wealth really is. It was a night of 9th of May. Jacob just wrapped up the evening at a popular nightclub in Soho. Around 1:30 a.m., he stepped outside and booked an Uber. That's when a man nearby called out his name. He seemed to match the profile of the cab driver he booked. Without checking the car's number or model, Jacob jumped in. Little did he know that single decision would upturn his life. Inside the vehicle, the driver casually offered Jacob a cigarette. Nothing seemed off. It was lame. He accepted. But almost immediately after taking a puff or two, Jacob began to feel off. His limbs heavier, his mind fogged. He suspects the cigarette was laced with scopolamine, a drug known to sedate victims and erase their resistance. Jacob began slipping in and out of consciousness. In a semi-conscious haze, Jacob vaguely remembers unlocking apps and sharing passwords. By the time the drug wore off, the driver had what he needed: access to Jacob's entire digital life. Then came the final blow. The driver dumped him in an unfamiliar part of London and ran him over before disappearing. Battered, confused, and without his phone, Jacob somehow made it back to his hostel. But the damage was done. His phone gone, his laptop remotely wiped, all his financial accounts locked. When he finally got back to his hostel, it was already too late. His crypto wallets had been emptied. $123,000 worth of assets gone in minutes. That's around 1 crore rupees. And Jacob's case isn't a one-off instance. Just days earlier, another crypto investor, Michael Valentino Carterin, was kidnapped and tortured in New York City. His attackers weren't strangers. One of them was reportedly another crypto investor who wanted access to his Bitcoin. Now, these stories are indeed a painful lesson to always verify and never share access. Because in today's world, your biggest threat might be just one write and one cigarette away.